Hello dear Libra, welcome back to my channel and this is your second week's reading of May exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if your sun, moon, rising, any sign is Libra, this reading is for you. Let's dive in. If you are looking for a monthly general reading that's already uploaded on my channel, you can click on the video section and find your signs reading. So we will be starting with your career. You've got the One of Spades and the Two of Suns. I do see that you're waiting for something new to happen, new beginnings, hope is coming back into your life, probably a promotion, probably you have just got promoted. But what is also happening at your work is that you are not maybe gelling with the new team that you've got, or the new people that you're working with, or the new office that you are in, right? I do see that this is because you have compatibility issues, not because they are bad or you are bad, or they don't know how to work or you don't know how to work. It's purely because of compatibility issues. I see that you guys are very similar to each other, whoever you are having an argument with at work, and both are very strong personalities, okay? So whenever there is an argument or fight, none of you want to back down. None of you want to compromise. None of you want to apologize. So this is the week which is asking you, urging you to compromise. If you cannot compromise, if you will not say sorry, or if you will not turn a blind eye to something, the arguments will only going to are only going to escalate, and it might create problems for you, especially if you are arguing with your boss, you're arguing with your investors, or you're arguing with people who can affect your work or business in some way. So you'll have to be very careful, and compromise is the only situation for this week. Let this week pass and let's see how it is in the next coming week, right? So this is a crucial week for you where you have to try and not get into the fights and arguments unnecessarily with your colleagues or anybody at work. Let's see what's written in your love life, personal life. You've got the Alchemist, you've got the Six of Moons and the Chariot. I do see that you are ready to settle down. Probably you're also looking for jobs which are not traveling anymore, which will keep you more at home, because your relationships would have been affected because of your work in some way, or you staying away from home for a very long time. So there was a distance between you and your partner, emotional distance or physical distance because of this. And you're also looking back on the good times. I also see that some of you could have been separated or broke up because of this situation, because your partner was not giving you time, or you guys were just not physically close to each other, because a lot of people can't do a long distance thing, right? I do see that you or your partner are now traveling this week to try and get closer to each other, like I said, probably staying with each other, or are going on a vacation to strengthen your bond, your love relationship, and your life is moving forward. So your personal life is definitely moving forward in any way possible, whether you are a single person, situationship, or relationship or marriage. I do see that some sort of next step is being taken in your relationship. Probably you have started meeting people, probably you have started seeing the proposals and options, considering them, which you were not ready before. So expect positive changes in your personal life. Career looks a little dicey, but if you compromise, if you will do what I asked you to do, probably this week will be smooth for your career as well. So this was your second week's reading. If you guys resonated with my reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Do comment and let me know which part did you resonate with and what is exactly happening in your life right now. I would love to read your comments, like them and try to reply to each one of you. And yes, if you still have any questions or doubts in your mind, you would like to book a personal reading with me regarding this or any area of your life, you can do that. I have readings available. I have audio video sessions available as well. My readings are very cheap and powerful and effective. You can read the testimonials on my Instagram channel. I have different packages available for single people, for career, for love, relationship, situationship, marriage people as well. You can check out that as well. I also do rituals. So if you want to manifest any desires, or if you want to remove any blockage from your life, I give you rituals as well. Easy, powerful, and simple rituals, not very complicated ones. Lastly, I do counseling sessions as well. So if you or any friend or family is in trouble, they don't have anyone to speak to, they have a burdened heart, too many secrets, cannot trust anyone, you can come to me, share your burdens, and I will guide you. I will be your mentor. And with the help of your angels, I will also give you a remedy which will help you change your life. And yes, a free remedy comes with every spiritual counseling session and with every package as well. To book any of this, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly follow me on Instagram and DM me on Instagram, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram because I post all such details on a daily basis over there. Here I'm only meeting you weekly or monthly, but there I'm posting it on a daily basis with the prices. So you can choose according to your budget, your needs. Alright. All these details are also mentioned in my description box below and my bio. You can check that out. So take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching my channel and I will see you soon. Bye bye.